dyed hair.
It's very patriotic here. 4th of July, as you know, just a few days away. Many will be gathering with friends and family to celebrate the holiday.
I'm obsessed with this already. And listen, in my family, it would not be a celebration with a little bit of alcohol. So.
You mean without?
Without.
You mean without?
Did I say with?
Yes.
Without. With or without. It's fine, but we prefer with.
And we are so grateful our friend Daisy Owens is back in the Air Comfort Solutions kitchen to show us how to make a boozy bomb pop cocktail today. Let's get started. We all love a bomb pop, right? For sure.
It's like the classic 4th of July treat.
Yes.
So we're gonna start with a big mug, a big cup, and we're gonna dip it in. This is light corn syrup. It's real sticky.
Yeah, that is very sticky.
And
Yikes.
then
Careful
the
with
rim
that.
for this is super fun.
What is it?
Pop rocks. So it's like a firecracker in your mouth.
Yeah.
It is. That's a great way to use it, too.
So this first one is gonna be without booze. So this is for your kids.
This is for you, Stacia or Shannon.
Oh, I forgot the ice.
Is that lemonade?
It is.
Okay.
So
Is this our
can
straw?
you get sticky? Yes.
Can I get sticky?
Can you wrap? So you take a blue Twizzler and wrap
I can
these
put down a lyric or two.
peel and stick
Oh, okay.
around, all around to make like a little firework while I get some ice.
Okay, and I just did the last one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
So it makes like a little firework for your drink.
Uh-huh.
Super cute.
And we just have
And
one
then it's
straw.
the straw.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
So the kids can drink out of it.
That's
My son
fine.
was drinking them
That's cute.
after
Okay.
I know your
That's
son wanted to be here today, but we had to
He
keep him away from those boozy
That's
cherries.
right. Keep him away from you and the boozy cheers.
Yes.
So if someone wants to give that a try.
there you go.
The next one will have alcohol. That one's for you, Brian.
Thank you.
Same pop rock top.
Okay.
I'm not gonna forget the ice this time. Whoa, sorry about that.
That's okay. We're going to cool off in here.
So this gives it the nice blue
Looks like
was eyeing
Windex.
Windex color. Yes.
Yep, perfect.
Just for you. And then you can
buy that.
the liquor store.
Okay.
It's in like the liqueur section.
Okay.
And you can use flavored vodka, but I prefer plain old plain vodka.
Tito's.
Straight.
Yes.
That's right.
And then the lemon.
And then
I
the
came over here
lemonade.
for a shot before the show started, and Daisy wouldn't serve me one.
And
Seems
then
like she did.
the fun one for this is you take a bomb pop and just stick it right in the drink.
Oh.
Happy 4th
Thank
for
you so much.
And
I
then
want one of those.
I wish I had an
Yes.
extra cup.
We're out of cups?
You can have the one that's already made. Okay, so the
I'm going
last
to take that, yeah.
is the cherries.
Cherries. You get
Okay.
the cherries.
Okay, so you take these maraschino cherries, dump out
poppin'.
all the liquid,
Okay.
put vodka in it so it soaks up the vodka. You
Is
take
that vodka in there now, or is this the...
yes,
Okay.
yes. I didn't pretend.
Wait, what is this?
And now this is just melted chocolate. This has
Oh.
vodka in it. And then
thought
you
that was
dip it
frosty.
in the white chocolate and then in the blue sprinkles.
This is a...
It does pop when you do
Thank
it.
you.
The pop rocks, that definitely, that adds to
They're
it.
good.
My
Okay,
popsicle's melting.
Here's your cherry.
Okay, thank
Sorry,
you.
it melted.
Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Sorry, I should have given you one that was set. What'd you
Oh,
think?
boy.
Strong?
Interesting. A little bit.
A little too strong. Maybe I should have
okay.
used like whipped cream vodka or something.
There's a lot going on with the sprinkles.
that'd be good.
And the white chocolate,
That's
but
great.
it's delicious.
There's a lot of great options you could do.
Right, and you could make all of these without alcohol for your kids, like have a 4th of July party, or put some alcohol in it for the grown-ups.
Daisy, we love seeing you. I love seeing you, especially today. This is just, there's a lot going on here, and I'm very happy.
Especially after a busy day yesterday.
Yeah.
And if you at home want to make this recipe too, you can check it out by logging on to newson6.com/recipes.